the fact that you're a broker versus a retail lender.
Yeah.
A lot of consumers, I feel like they don't know the difference between those two. So if you could touch on that, the benefit of working directly with a mortgage broker like yourself versus a retail lender.
Since I started, I've always been, when I was a processor, when I started at 19, I was always on the broker side. And I really saw how much flexibility we have as brokers. You don't have the consistency of the salary or the hourly rate or the paycheck or the 9 to 5, like as an employee for a bank. But I truly believe that this is the best way that clients can get the best service.
Right.
I mean, we work for our clients, and that's that's our goal, that's our purpose. So we work weekends, like vacations, nights, holidays.
Right.
But if you love what you do, I would take it any day. But the benefit is that we have all of these banks that we're signed up with, and they are all competing for us to send them our clients.
Right.
So they're responding quickly when we have questions. Hey, can you do this? Here's the scenario I have. Who replies first? That's the person I'm most likely going to go with. And then I'll get a quote from one bank and say, okay, here are the rates. Here's the rate for this. This is what's going to cost. These are the points. And then I get an estimate for a scenario, send it to another bank who I know maybe their underwriters review quicker, or their turn times are quicker. So I want to work with them, but their pricing might not be as competitive as this other bank I work with. So I send them the quote. I'm like, hey, well, Bank X is giving me this price for this client. Can you guys do something about it? Can you guys match or beat it? Especially now, because there is less volume, there's just less transactions, less buyers that can qualify. Banks are feeling it too. So banks, that's why they're releasing these kinds of incentives, and they're competing, and they're price matching sometimes in some cases with other banks so they can get the business, so they can get the loans.
Yeah.